So when I hit 1,000 subscribers in January 2025, YouTube paid me Hey guys, it's your girl Uchudicula girl, and I am back with another super dope video. Guys, today we are talking about the bag. The mula. Sithetha ngemali, guys. The main character. The main reason why I've opened a YouTube channel. So guys, this is a highly requested video. Abantu bafuna ukwazi ukuthi how much did YouTube pay me for hitting 1,000 subscribers? And I am sure even you yourself, where you are juicing. You cannot wait. You are so curious. You want to know how much YouTube pay for 1,000 subscribers. Guys, we really need motivation. We really need motivation, and we really need to hear from people who are not even gonna gatekeep, who are not even gonna lie to us. We need truth so that we can see whether we should keep on pushing or we should just let go. So guys, without wasting any of your time, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, I think it's only fair to start from the background. When I started YouTube, guys, I didn't know that YouTube pays. Like bengayazi ukuthi you can earn money from YouTube, ne? I just opened YouTube, and then I was posting, like whenever I feel like posting, guys, nje jiki nje on a blue moon nje decide ukuthi okay ngihalela uposta lento, and then I just posted. But I was not consistent. I was not at all. In a sense that I would post maybe once in 3 months, or once in 4 months, or once in 6 months. Like nje, I was not consistent, guys. Ben poster nje xa ke kwathi jiki ndaqoma yazi ntoni, I just feel like ukuvloga mhlambi we are having a trip, like colleagues trip or vacation, so I decide ukuthi yazini, let me take you along kanjalo, ne? Till the time I started watching YouTube, ne, dibheke amanye ama-content creators, and then I realized ukuthi hayibo guys, ngumsebenzi mos lento. Hayibo guys, abantu bayahola apha. People are making money out of this thing, guys. It's not only a hobby, but it's also a source of income, another stream of income, ne? Then that's when I started becoming like so interested and so invested. Ndaqala ke ngondane ixesha lika YouTube. That was last year around October, November. Then I started posting at least in 1 month. I would post maybe about 2 or 3 videos at least. Yabo, mane ndiposta, and I think around that time I had less than 1,000 subscribers. I had about 500 and something. So I kept on posting and posting. More than anything, I was posting ama shorts. Guys, ama YouTube shorts, don't sleep on them. They are very helpful, guys, because enza exposure of your channel, guys. They would bring you abantu, they would bring you most of the subscribers ke sana, and again it will make i-channel yakho ukuthi ikhule very fast. Izoyenza nje ukuthi ikhule very fast. So I started diving in kuma shorts, lokho ndifaka. Within no time, I think around January this year 2025, then I hit 1,000 subscribers. Guys, if I tell you, it was not because of a miracle or anything nje evele yazizela. It's because I put an effort. I took YouTube very seriously. I made sure that I have time for YouTube. Then I hit 1,000 subscribers, and the minute I hit 1,000 subscribers, guys, I was so happy, I was so motivated, and I couldn't wait to see how much YouTube will pay me. Like, I was looking forward to get my money, to get my bag. To my surprise, I get to learn that the requirements for you to meet the monetization, is for you to meet the first requirement. You must have 1,000 subscribers. and that is not enough. You must also have 4,000 watch hour. Guys, I can tell you, to get 1,000 subscribers is not a mission. Is really not a mission. But to get 4,000 watch hour, guys, hey, guys, it's not easy at all. You know what, guys? In most cases, we always tell people that please subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And people would subscribe to your channel and not watch your channel or your videos. And that is where the problem starts. Because umntu uzokujoyina kwi-channel yakho but angabukeli videos zakho. Then tell me, where are you gonna get the 4,000 watch hours if people are just subscribing to your channel and not watching your videos? Those people are not helping you. They are just not helping you because they just subscribe to your channel but they don't watch your videos, which makes them not useful in your channel, because you cannot say you are my supporter but you are not supporting me. You understand? You cannot say u favor Chiefs but awukaze wabukela even one match ye Chiefs. We support enjani? How do you support it? So that was the problem. So guys, I will just be brutally honest. I won't gatekeep. I won't lie. I won't sell lies to people, guys. I got 0 rand for hitting 1,000 subscribers, mainly because I did not have 4,000 watch hours. At this point, guys, I am working on 4,000 watch hours. If people are still subscribing, as I think you can see in the channel, it has 2.7 now subscribers. Still, that 2.7 subscribers, guys, ayindincedi nganto because people are not watching my videos. Abantu ababukeli videos zam. Yabo? So now I'm working so hard. I don't know what must I do so that people can watch my videos. And the minute people are watching my videos, that is how I will get my 4,000 watch hour. For as long as people are just coming, they just subscribe and leave, I'm still not gonna get paid by YouTube. That is the sad part of it. And that is what people are not telling us, that guys, you don't just get paid because you just hit the 1,000 subscribers. You also need to work on the 4,000 watch hour. So we understand. This is so hard and this is so difficult, but it's very nice because we have YouTube Studio. So on YouTube Studio, every week they would send you your analysis, like the channel analysis, ne? Back analyze ukuthi how many people are watching your video, how many people are subscribing to your video, and then which gender is subscribing mostly, or which gender is watching your video mostly, and then which age group, and like it gives you an idea to see which people are mostly interested in your videos, or which age group is your target market. I don't know if I'm putting this correctly. So it gives you the idea. Even the next video that you are doing, you know exactly that, okay, abantu ababukela video yam ngabantu abanjani, or which age group, or whatever that is the case, ne? And also it gives you the countries that are watching you, guys. I was so super excited, guys, when I saw that USA is also watching my videos, and I also saw that Argentina is watching my videos. I also saw that China, India, like any other countries are also watching my videos. So I was so super excited. So guys, what I'm gonna say, if you are at home right now, you want to start your YouTube channel, before you start your YouTube channel, this is the advice I will give you. You must know that you need 1,000 subscribers. On top of the 1,000 subscribers, you need people to watch your videos, which will give you the 4,000 watch hour. And another important thing that I did not know when I started my channel is the fact that I need to choose my niche. Guys, eyami channel ingxube vanga. Eyami channel ndithi ndibhizi ndivloga ndibe ndisenza story time, ndithi ndisenza story time ndibe ndisenza izskin care, ndithi ndisenza izskin care guys, like ndixananazile, ndithe ndixananazile. So I don't have a niche yet ukuthi ndenza ntoni, i-lifestyle or ndenza i-comedy or ndenza ntoni. Anything mna ndiyayenza kweyami channel, anything ndiyayenza. And I've already made peace that, you know what, since I didn't know ukuthi fanele ndichoose niche before ndiyenze i-channel yam, so I will stick to doing all these like videos ezi-different till I see ukuthi okay isikakhulu kubukelwa eziphi video kwezi video ndizenzayo, then I stick to that. It will make it easier for me to choose ukuthi okay, which videos am I sticking to? Am I sticking to deep cleaning? Am I sticking to lifestyle? Am I sticking to story times? Like it will give me an idea ukuthi which videos must I stick to. But if you are as a YouTuber or you are someone who haven't started YouTube but you are inspired to start YouTube, please be mindful of the niche. Ukuthi okay, ufuna ukwenza ntoni? Do you want to cook? Do you want to like ukwenza i-gym? Do you want to do gym and diet? Do you want to do ama-vlogs or what? What is it that is working for you? What is it that you're not gonna feel like ufile ngathi unyanzelekile uyenza, something that ozoyenza ngenhliziyo yakho, something that you know ukuthi uyenza every now and then. For instance, indaba zabo ma vlogs, if you know ukuthi you are someone who is outgoing, you are someone who likes shopping, you are someone who likes vacations, that thing you're gonna do it effortlessly. You will do it effortlessly. So you can just stick to that. You understand? So that is what I've learned. And you also need to know that mawucela umuntu uba makasubscribe, also do mention to the person that please also watch my videos. Not only watching my videos, but also like my video and also comment on my videos so that YouTube can recommend your videos. Because how will YouTube recommend your videos if kungena engagement kwi-videos zakho? That means your videos are boring. That means i-videos zakho azinayo that thing. So abantu noba babukele nje to just pass time nje, otherwise they are not hooked in your videos. So you must also mention that to the people. Please don't forget to comment on my videos, to like my videos, so that YouTube can recommend my videos. Guys, I don't mean to be preaching and everything, but I am trying to advise someone who wants to start a channel so that a person must know what is expected of him or her, so that the person can start a successful YouTube channel. Do not make the same mistakes that we also made. Thina abanama channels asokolayo. Do not make those mistakes. Because the biggest mistake that I have done was not to do the research. Just to dive into YouTube without doing any research, without even knowing what I want, without even having objectives, without even having goals. Okay, what do I want to obtain? When? I did not have that down. So I did not have any planning. So you need to plan for YouTube. I always hear the successful content creators saying, don't think about it. Don't procrastinate about it. Just dive into it. Just do it. If you keep on thinking about it, you might end up not doing it, or you might end up not opening your channel. But I beg to differ. I am saying when you are doing it, just do it. And others, they always say, if you don't have a phone right and don't mind that as long as you have content. Guys, sometimes abantu mababukele i-video, they also like ukukubona clear, bakubone kakuhle, abafuni landuka ukubona mfiliba. Ungathi zeza TV zakudala zi-black and white, guys. Abantu bafuna ukubona clear. Sometimes people are attracted because of equality ye camera yakho. That is the only thing. Umuntu ufuna uyozibonela nje le quality ye camera i-clear. So guys, don't be misled at some point. Whenever you want to start a YouTube channel, just have a nice phone ezokwazi ukuthi ikuthathe kakuhle, and then invest on into i-ring light, and also ubese uzichuzela ke ngokwi-niche uba ufuna ukwenza ntoni. Do you like cooking? Do you like fashion? Do you like reviews? Uchoose nje kakuhle uba ufuna ntoni. Ungancami guys, ungancami, and then have a proper planning for your channel and have goals for your channel. I think that's the most thing that you need for your channel, especially if you are planning for a successful channel. Guys, I know I'm rambling and I know I'm talking too much. I know some of you are asking yourself why ke ngoku lo muntu seke busy man ethetha into ezingaka esi-advise ucelwe ngubani. But either way, I'm a girly, so I will look out for other girlies and also other brothers ukuthi nje sonke sibe successful. But if you ask me, I would tell you that it is worth it to start YouTube channel now in 2025. It is worth it. And it is possible to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. It is possible, guys. Guys, I've watched ama videos wabantu be disclose ukuthi bahola malini. I've watched channel ka Lerato Nxumalo. I've watched channel yaka Gugu ngubani ngusne under Gugu or Sne_Gugu. Yes, I've watched Ugugu. I've watched Kim and Tinaga. Guys, Kim and Tinaga, they are even worse, guys. We've seen journey yabo, guys. Abantu besuka from the west, guys, the west, but now they are flourishing. They are flourishing, guys. Yabona ke abo? Those are the real testimony, guys. Eyoba uThixo ukhona sana. And when God opened the doors, no one can close them, guys, no matter what. Wafika nje uThixo wavula iminyango, guys, uyivula kanje, uyivula kanje, uyivula kanje. No one can say no when God says yes, guys. Yo, guys, uKim noThanaga, uKim noThanaga, yo, hi guys, they are doing the most. They are doing wonders, guys. And then ube Ngula and Big Nans, guys, Big Nans, yo, guys, every time manje mbukele ndiyagowa. Ndiyahlanya, guys, ndiyahlanya. I so love that girl. I so love that girl. And naye uflorisha so. Guys, it is possible. That's one thing I can tell you. It is possible. Guys, ndibuye emachichini, nami niyanibona ndililo, ndidiniwe. I want to sleep, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful, and I hope this video is gonna be appreciated by 1 or 2 people, or it's gonna help or change 1 or 2 people's lives. So guys, without talking too much, it's at night, guys. Let me just sleep. Let me go and wash off my makeup and sleep. Good night. Love you loads, sana. To us, guys, abazo celebrate success YouTube channel, to us abazoba ne successful YouTube channel, guys, mna guys, mark it down, yibhale ngalomzuzu, guys, uthi uThudisa wathi lo nyaka uzophela ehola kwa YouTube channel, raining or not, storms or no storms, umthakathe khona engekho, uThudisa uthe lo unyaka ngowakhe uzophela ehola kwa YouTube channel. Yabo bandithetha nini? Ndithetha ngoMarch. Kodwa uDecember uzofika ndihola mna kwathi kwa YouTube channel, guys. Raining or not, storms or no storms, guys. Ndizohola. Let me love and leave you. Peace. No drama.